Caroline Leahy, we're here outside Cork County Hall today. Storm Babet caused enormous damage to Middleton and some of its surrounding areas. What do you want the council to do?
We need them to start acting and start acting fast. We're 2 years on now nearly, and we're really very much as exposed as we were in October 2023. We're here today to make a point that we're still here, we're not going away, we're not going to be forgotten, and we're not going to sit and wait for the next flood to damage our homes, our businesses, and potentially take lives.
Okay. Has anything improved over the past 2 years?
Very, very little. There has been a small industrial sandbag wall in one estate. There's been small amounts of dredging, and other than that, it's basically more reports, more surveys, more assessments. And the areas outside of Middleton, Castlemartyr, Mogeely, Rathcormac, all of those are sitting in endless periods of wait. They don't even have a start date for their flood scheme. The Middleton flood scheme is possibly 10 years off being completed, and for what we faced in Middleton, that's just not good enough.
Are people worried that they're looking at a repeat of Storm Babet?
We worry about that with every rainfall. Every rainfall, it never goes away. Even in the summer months, you know winter is looming, it's coming around the corner, and it's hanging over us all the time. And we're fearing for our lives with what we had in Babet. It's not a small little bit of water coming in the door. This was apocalyptic rainfall and apocalyptic levels of flood that we can't sustain again.
Flooded during Storm Babet and in previous floods. Every time the rain starts and the beginning of the winter, with no winter protection. The IPP, individual property protection, that was rolled out last year is fit for purpose. Very little of it has been delivered, and it's given little more protection to houses and property. So we need this to be treated as an emergency. We feel the government should do more, and work as a unit. We need more protection.